And for those who are killed in a police operation, in a firefight, we are willing to submit ourselves for an investigation before anybody. And I would like also to just say, why would the United Nations be so easy to be swayed into interfering in the affairs of this republic? There are about just 1,000. There are a lot of people, innocent women, child, young women, young men, old women, being killed elsewhere in this world without even saying the slightest justice. Take, for example, in the Middle East. I have yet to complain, the United Nations complaining publicly, even not criticizing the countries who are into it and bombing villages and communities, killing everybody there, including the goats and the cows and the dogs. I have yet to complain the UN President state publicly over and over again because of the loss of the lives of innocent people. That is the problem. And here comes a UN easily swayed and coming on a very stupid proposition of them. You know, for those who are killed by the other drug syndicates, we can only investigate, but do not attribute the acts of other criminals upon my government. I say the easiest way of really just being into politics. Drug problem, just like the Abu Sayyaf, must be crushed, destroyed. I don't care how it is destroyed. It must be destroyed. Let me correct some grave misconception about the United Nations coming in to investigate genocide. That's a very stupid statement. The United Nations does not have any business investigating human rights violations of the police. I just don't want to be an insulting. You don't come here and investigate the deaths of criminals and those suspected, sabi nila, na pinatay ng police, when after all, we have also lost a sizable amount of our population dito sa security forces in government. Bakit ka mag-imbestiga dito ng criminal? Samantalang sa Middle East and in other parts of the world, they're killing men, women, and children, bombing hospitals. And yet I do not hear this